English to Gujarati challenge words, learn,
પડકાર, અવરોધ,
and more. Welcome to the Brave Little Vocabulary Adventure. Hey, you're about to learn 8 powerful Gujarati words without falling into dramatic language student despair. If a word feels big, good news, your brain loves a good story. Today you will meet these words. Challenge is,
પડકાર,
obstacle is,
અવરોધ,
risk is,
જોખમ,
uncertainty is,
અનિશ્ચિતતા,
dilemma is,
મૂંઝવણ,
exception is,
apavād,
emergency solution is,
આપાતકાલીન ઉપાય,
and transition is.
સંક્રમણ.
Think of them as the cast of a comedy where everything goes wrong, but in a very educational way. A suspiciously educational story. Listen to this mini-adventure and let the words stick naturally. Yes, this is learning. No, you do not need a helmet. Probably. One morning, Meera decided to cross town, start a new job, and become a better person before lunch. Naturally, she met a
પડકાર,
Immediately, the bus stop was blocked by a giant wedding horse, which became an
અવરોધ,
She thought, should I walk through traffic? That sounds like
જોખમ,
Single quote. Then clouds gathered, her phone battery dropped to 1%, and a deep feeling of
અનિશ્ચિતતા,
floated over the morning like dramatic movie music. Now she faced a
મૂંઝવણ,
should she go home and protect her dignity, or continue and protect her salary? At that moment, a tea seller said, usually I never lend chargers, but today I make an.
apavād,
Meera nearly cried with gratitude. The charger worked only if held at one magical angle, which was clearly an.
આપાતકાલીન ઉપાય,
Not a real fix. Still, it helped her survive the
સંક્રમણ,
from total chaos to almost professional adult. And that, dear listener, is called progress. Word spotlight. Now let us slow down and meet each word like a proper guest at a very strange dinner party. A challenge is,
પડકાર,
you can say, every
પડકાર,
is a chance to learn. An obstacle is,
અવરોધ,
picture a rock in the road, or a locked door, or a cat sitting exactly where you need to step. That is,
અવરોધ,
risk is,
જોખમ,
if you say, there is,
જોખમ,
you mean something may go wrong. Uncertainty is,
અનિશ્ચિતતા,
it is that foggy feeling when you do not know what will happen. A dilemma is,
મૂંઝવણ,
not just a problem but a difficult choice between options. An exception is,
apavād,
a rule exists, but one person or case stands outside it. An emergency solution is,
આપાતકાલીન ઉપાય,
it is the temporary fix that saves the day while the real repair is still asleep. A transition is,
સંક્રમણ,
it means moving from one stage, state, or situation to another. Quick drills with a grin. Say the Gujarati word after the English one. If you answer confidently, you win invisible applause. Challenge.
પડકાર,
Obstacle.
અવરોધ,
Risk.
જોખમ,
Uncertainty.
અનિશ્ચિતતા,
Dilemma.
મૂંઝવણ,
Exception.
apavād,
Emergency solution.
આપાતકાલીન ઉપાય,
Transition.
સંક્રમણ,
Tiny dialogue, big memory. Here is a short conversation. It sounds like real life, because real life is mostly bad timing plus snacks. A. Is this new project easy? B. No, it is A.
પડકાર,
A. Why did the team stop? B. There is an
અવરોધ,
ahead. A. Should we try the shortcut during the storm? B. That sounds like
જોખમ,
A. Do we know what happens next? B. No, there is a lot of
અનિશ્ચિતતા,
A. Tea or coffee before the interview? B. Ah yes, the great human.
મૂંઝવણ,
A. Are pets allowed in the office? B. Usually no, but today there is an
apavād,
for the manager's extremely confident turtle. A. Is this tape holding the machine together? B. Yes, it is in.
आपातकालीन उपाय,
Please do not lean on it emotionally. A. How is your move from student life to work life? B. Big.
संक्रमण,
Bigger coffee bill. Mini quiz of destiny. Let us see what stuck. Do not panic. Even panic could become a vocabulary lesson. What is the Gujarati word for challenge?
પડકાર,
What is the Gujarati word for obstacle?
અવરોધ,
What is the Gujarati word for risk?
જોખમ,
What is the Gujarati word for uncertainty?
અનિશ્ચિતતા,
What is the Gujarati word for dilemma?
મૂંઝવણ,
What is the Gujarati word for exception?
apavād,
What is the Gujarati phrase for emergency solution?
આપાતકાલીન ઉપાય,
What is the Gujarati word for transition?
સંક્રમણ,
Your final brave step. You made it. See? A vocabulary mountain is just a hill wearing dramatic makeup. Today you practiced.
પડકાર, અવરોધ, જોખમ, અનિશ્ચિતતા, મૂંઝવણ, અપવાદ, આપાતકાલીન ઉપાય,
And
સંક્રમણ.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, make your own silly sentences, and come back tomorrow for another cheerful little.
પડકાર,